How to buy rapid Neiro token. So this token came under the symbol of W Neiro. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 8 hours ago and increased by 3000% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. As you can see, that's made your investment in a safe place. This token also trends in number 18 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, as you can see, and open your fund to wallet. So after that, what you need to do, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So after that, what you need to do, click on your token here, as you can see, and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, and after that select provider. For example, there is only one provider, it's Jupiter. So after that, make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page, and as you can see, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most issues came from the slip hash. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy W Neiro token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.